you how you can create a password protected files or folder in Google Drive. So first of all, you have to select the file that you want to protect and then do a right click on it. Once you've done that, you have to click on share, and here the general access is restricted. Now you have to switch it to anyone with the link. Once you've done that, you have to click on done. After this, you have to click on the plus icon and then select Google Forms. Then you can give any sort of title here. I'll just write important and then click on question. Here you have to ask the password as the question and then click on required. Once you've done that, you have to click on the three dots and then select response validation. Once you've done that, you will be shown a few options here. You have to just select text from here and then enter the password that you want to set over here. I'm just going to select pass123. Now for when someone enters the wrong password, you can create a custom error text. I'll just type in incorrect password. Now after you've done this, you can go to settings. Here inside settings, you have to click on presentation. And under presentation, you have to select confirmation message. Now you have to edit it. Here you can type in your file is here. Now go back to the Google Drive and then copy the link of the folder. Once you've done that, you can paste the link over here and then click on save. After you've completed all the steps, you can click on the eye icon to preview your work. Here you have to enter the password that you have set. After you've entered your password, you have to click on submit. Here you can see the results. All you have to do is click on the link and download the folder to view it. Now moving on to the very last step, you just have to go back to your form and then click on send. You can send your log folder either via email or through the link. If you want to use the email, you just have to type in the email address of the person and hit the send button. And now if you want to use the link, you just have to click here and then copy the link to this Google form and share it through personal messages. And this is how you can lock your files and folders on Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.